In this video, I will show you how to get foreign phone number for verification the right way. And this is helpful if you're looking to create accounts, get verification codes, or work internationally, or if you are preparing to receive payment from global platforms like PayPal. This video is for you. You know, I have seen a lot of people, a lot of my subscribers, followers ask me how I verify my survey platforms. This number is what helps me verify, because some of these survey platforms, they ask you for your number for verification, while some don't ask. But if you're working on a survey site that asks for number before you verify your account, this video is for you, because in this video I'll be showing you how to get your number. Now, there are people that will tell you you can go online and get temporary number for verification. I don't advise that, because it is what it is, temporary number. It will not always be your own. But this particular one I want to show you is how you can own this number, how you can always own this number. You understand? So once you create the number, it will always be your own. Okay, the only thing is that after a month you can always go and pay a renewal fee, and it will continue to be your number. This number, you can use it to receive phone call, you can use it to receive SMS, you can also use it to receive any code. You understand? So all you just need to do is to pay a monthly renewal fee if you want to continue using the number. But if you just need it for just 1 month, then you can just use it for that 1 month. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amgo's Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time seeing me, you're welcome. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth, monetization, growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money online through paid surveys. If this is something you're interested in learning, why not subscribe to this channel? Drop me your comments, like the video, share it, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my contents whenever I drop them.
I went to Play Store and then I searched Fanitail. I typed it out, Fanitail, so it brought me to the app. Okay, also type it the way I'm typing it to bring you to this particular app you will see here. So look at it there, Fanitail. I didn't have it before, so I went ahead to install it on my phone, and I was waiting for it to load. It is loading now. So if you know a better app, you can also suggest it to me in the comment section. This is the one I use, which is why I'm using it to make this video. So it is installing into my phone. So I went ahead and I opened the app to begin the setup. So while we're here, you tick on agree. I agree to terms and condition, and then you sign in. When you click on sign in with Google, it will ask me for the email I want to use, because I have several emails on my phone, and then I will choose the particular email I want to use for this particular setup. Okay, so once I choose the email, the app will automatically sign me in, and then it will all ask me for permission to access my contacts, and I will allow it. Okay, then we're here. As you can see, there's no money here, so I'll click on the last icon by my right hand side, accounts, so that I can go and add credits. You can add money. Okay, so once I'm in this interface, I click on buy credits. Okay, because they call it credits. Okay, so this is not where we're going to. We'll go back to click on buy credits, so it will take us to the right place. So you click on buy credits. Okay, so I clicked on it, and I went to go and click buy credits, which is not correct. I'm supposed to click on in-app purchase. Okay, and also note that you ought to have added your payment method. You know, the one you add on Play Store, the one you use to buy things online. So that is what we're going to be using to buy this particular credits, so that we can have some credits to buy the number we want to buy. Okay, so this place, I am right now is not where I'm going to. So I have to go back to go to the right location in the app. So in-app purchase is what we want to do. Okay, so I'll click on it, and then I click on 2 credits, 3,200. Then I will choose the card, the payment method that I want to use. I click on it, then I click on buy. Okay, if you don't know how to do this thing, you can also let me know. I can do a separate video for that. Then after I buy it, you also click on yes, always confirm, to prevent unauthorized purchase. Very, very important, so that these apps will not go ahead and be removing your money without your consent. So click on yes, always, and then okay it, and then your payment will be successful. So you can see now that we have top up successfully. Okay, then we'll now go back to do this, perform this activity again. You're buying the credit 2 times, so that is 4 credits. So for the one we bought, that 3,200 is worth 1.99 cents, as you can see here on your screen. So we're going back to do another purchase. The same thing, in-app purchase. You click on 2 credits, add the card you want to use, then you click on buy. Okay, please don't forget to put that yes, always. Don't forget. Yes, so we're buying for the second time. It's processing. So payment successful. So we're going back to the app. It will automatically take us back to the app. So top up successful. So you now see how much we have in the account. So while we're here right now, okay, so this is what we have, 3.98 cents, $3.98. So want to go and buy virtual number. Okay, so there's no number here. We have to click on get number for us to get either Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, or United States number. Okay, I'll go back to show you because I want you to see it very well. Okay, these are all the countries that you can buy their number from Fanetail app. Okay, so I want to buy Canada's number, United Kingdom, so I'll go ahead and click it. So they have one number suggestion for me, but if you don't like it, you can click on the drop down arrow to choose any of the number that you like. Okay, I'll just go ahead and make my selection. This usually takes me time because I want to choose a number that is easy for me to remember. So I'll just go ahead and choose anyone here. Okay, so when I see anyone I like, I click on it and wait for it to load, okay, to become my own. So yeah, so I choose this particular one. I click on continue. So this is what they will charge, 1.99 cents, and other charges down here for just the first time, 0.99 cents. Then I click on continue. Okay, so I click on continue, and voila, this is my card now. This is my number. Okay, so I'll touch this off this button so that all calls will go to voicemail. I don't want anybody calling me. I just want to receive codes and SMS from this number. Okay, but if you want people to call you, you can leave that button unchecked. Okay, so see, my number is active now. Is active. So this is my balance, $1. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. So this is how you can buy your virtual number from Fanetail app. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the video.
This is exactly how you can create or get your foreign phone number for any verification you want to do. This is how I got my own. Now I know that people are using different platforms, but this is the platform I use. So when I want to teach you, I'll definitely use the platform I'm using. So if you know of any other platform that is better than Fanetail, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and if you have any difficulty trying to set up your account or trying to get your phone number, also let me know in the comment section. Now the next video we're going to be working on will be how to create our verified PayPal. Stick to this channel because that video is the next video that will come up. I had to make these 2 videos so that you will know the things you need to do before you proceed to creating your PayPal. A lot of people create PayPal and at the end of the day they will start crying. take a look at this particular PayPal account with over £300 in it. It is gone. This person may not be able to recover this money again. So you just have to do the right thing from the start, okay? So I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share it so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching, and stay with me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, you are wrong. Bye. I'll see you again in my next one.